In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to curve text in Photoshop step by step. This is one of the most useful text effects for creating logos, badges, seals, stickers, social media graphics, and professional branding designs. The best part is that it's incredibly simple once you know where to click. So if you've ever struggled to make your text follow a circle or any custom shape, this tutorial will clear everything up. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. The most common and cleanest way to curve text in Photoshop is by placing it along a path. So first, we need to create that path. Go over to your toolbar on the left and select the Ellipse tool. You can also press U on your keyboard as a shortcut. Now, this part is very important. At the top of the screen in the options bar, you'll see a drop-down that usually says Shape. Click that drop-down and change it from Shape to Path. If you forget this step, Photoshop will create a filled shape instead of a path, and the text won't attach properly. Once you've set it to Path, click and drag on your canvas to draw a circle. If you want a perfect circle, hold down the Shift key while dragging. You can make it any size you want depending on your design. Don't worry about colors because paths don't have fill or stroke like shapes do. You'll just see a thin outline showing the path. Now that we have the path ready, it's time to add the text. Select the Type tool from the toolbar or press T on your keyboard. Next, move your cursor over the edge of the circle path. Watch your cursor closely. When it changes from the normal text cursor to one with a curved line running through it, that means Photoshop recognizes the path. Once you see that curved line icon, click directly on the edge of the circle. Now, start typing. As you type, you'll see your text automatically follow the curve of the circle. This is exactly what we want. You can adjust the font, size, color, and spacing from the top toolbar, just like you would with regular text. If the text looks too cramped, try increasing the font size or adjusting the tracking in the character panel to space the letters out evenly. Next, let's adjust the position of the text around the circle. Go back to the toolbar and select the Path Selection tool. It's the black arrow tool, and you can press A on your keyboard to access it. Click on the text and you'll see small brackets appear at the beginning and end of the text path. You can click and drag the text along the circle to reposition it anywhere you like. If you want to flip the text so it appears inside the circle instead of outside, simply drag the text across the path toward the inside of the shape. As you cross over the path line, the text will flip direction. This is especially useful for badge-style logos where text appears on both the top and bottom of a circle. You can even duplicate the text layer and create a second line along the bottom for a complete circular logo design. This method works not just with circles, but with any custom shape. You can use the Pen tool to draw a completely custom curved path, and then use the exact same technique with the Type tool to make your text follow that curve. That's why this method is so powerful and widely used in professional design projects. And that's how you curve text in Photoshop using a path. It's simple, clean, and perfect for logos, badges, seals, and circular designs. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tips and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.